Sir was at Miss Philippines Earth 2010. As some of you may have heard, every Miss Philippines Earth Beauty Queen each year works with the Miss Earth Foundation. Ano po ang ginagawa ng Miss Earth Foundation? Nagpo-promote po kami ng environmental advocacy. And when we heard about the city ordinance dito po sa Muntinlupa, City Ordinance number 10109, at plano po niyo po yung plastic free Muntinlupa, congratulate po kayo lahat sa napakagandang pagbabago. Napakahirap po simulan ito, pero wala po.
Dear shoppers, happy afternoon. Happy sir.
Happy sir! Okay. Wala po.
June, kasi yung sticker.
And now, Destiny is here, all three of the reusable green bags. Here, we'll be seeing a lot of Destiny green bags as the city is now a plastic-free zone. Congratulations po ulit. Shoppers are encouraged to bring their own reusable bags for their groceries. If you bring along an SM green bag, we'll give you 2 points on your SM Advantage card for every 3 green bags that you bring. You can also buy new green bags right here for only 10 pesos and 35 pesos.